Hi, I'm Sue Grant from Berthon, and here's a video walkthrough of the Discovery 55 SAXON BLUE. I'm on her deck now. She's in great shape. She's UK and European VAT paid. She's here at our base in Leamington and ready to be sold. So this is a new, fresh video for you to have a look and see how she's looking. She's just had a pit stop with our very own Berthon Boat Company and is ready to go. Hello, I'm Sue Grant from Berthon, and today we're having a look at the Discovery 55 SAXON BLUE. She's hull number 30 and she was delivered in 2009. Here she is with her flag blue livery and looking very smart indeed, recommissioned and totally ready for the season. Everything's been updated. SAXON BLUE is a little bit special. She was built for an owner who wanted to take her to high latitude, so she has additional Kevlar strengthening in the hull, and she also has a stainless steel stem which has been put there in order to deal with soft ice, which is what I think they call it. She was fully prepared by high latitude and in fact in 2010 cruised in Greenland and to Canada, but she is also all prepared for Mediterranean use. So not only does she have separated Eversparker central heating, she has tropical aircon, all the normal refrigeration you expect from a Discovery, and so on. She's just joined us from Ragusa. She sailed for around 4,000 nautical miles to be with us, and she's had a short pit stop. Didn't have any problems of note. This yacht comes with not only Starlink but Iridium and SSB. Just see her transom. She's got electric davits on them. She's got a ribeye with a 20 horsepower Yamaha. All of the safety gear is all up to date, life raft on the back, and these owners fitted solar, not just here but also on the coach roof, so that she can be fairly independent if you are cruising and away from 220 or 110 power. So just coming on to the aft deck, the Disco 55 has two deep cockpit lockers, port and starboard. Decks are looking very fresh. Nice seating on the push pits. And this solar array has been beautifully done. She comes with a ribeye with 20 horsepower. Now, SAXON BLUE is also special in terms of her setup. She's got Anderson winches, she's got hydraulic furling on everything, with Reckman on the two stays at the front. And she is set up so that the helm can manage all the functions. This keeps all the lines out of the cockpit and is very good for single-handed or very short-handed sailing. You see she's got new 2020 Raymarine hybrid touch. She's got chain counter, bow thruster, control for the main engine, it's a Yanmar 160. And she's also got the famous Discovery bath in the well for the helm, which has got hot, cold and seawater, whatever you prefer. It's actually very useful, and a lovely clear cockpit. The buttons for the furling are on both sides, so whichever tack you're on you can easily manage it. And she's also got this solid bimini, which is great for where she is at the moment in the sunshine, and also gives very good protection if you decided to take her north again. And now we're just going to walk forward signature self-tacking. There's the extra solar. Rig's looking really good. All the running rigging is looking absolutely gleaming. Very easy setup. She's got a whisker pole on the mast and another one on the deck to starboard. Solid vang. Very easy deck to work. But of course you don't need to go out of the cockpit unless you are using the downwind sails. And then up at the front, she has twin Wreckmen. They went back to Wreckman in 2016 and were fully overhauled. She's got hood sails, they're Vectran. They've got UV strips on all three plain sails. And then she's got this very robust Spade Anchor S200. The bow fitting has been altered to take that. Setup works really well. And she's got a V5 vertical windlass. Also, of course, on the Discovery 55 you have a very large forward lazarette with lots and lots of storage. She has the Discovery Solent rig, which has swept-back spreaders. Very good setup, no runners. Again, absolutely excellent for short-handed blue water sailing. Lots of ventilation from the deck hatches. Of course, lovely deck saloon setup, which we'll see better a little bit later when we go below. And then we have two lockers here, one for the gas locker, and then there is another one which is yet another deep cockpit locker, which is really useful for storage. Robust deck drains. And large cockpit table, which has got storage inside it, all in teak, which looks lovely just bare and scrubbed. High coamings. These boats feel very, very secure. And without the utility winch on the port side, you've just got great vision and it's very clear. Also very secure position for the helm. There's a kill switch just there so you can turn off the hydraulics if something starts to go a bit wrong. I think that's very important. Analog instruments there. And please do come below. Cherry interior. The leather upholstery has just been restored, and she's the very first of the open layouts with these two stressless chairs, which are about the most comfortable chairs on the planet. Mark I layout. The windows need some love. And this wonderful raised chart table, which is of course a feature of all Discovery 55s. Refitted when this owner bought her at Berthon before she went off to the Mediterranean. Because she was built for the cold places, she's got 24-volt Eberspacher hydronic, but she's also got tropical airco, and she's running with a 11 kVA generator to power all of that. Electric cooking, as you can see, Force 10. She's got additional inverter charging for that. Microwave, of course. Twin sink. All the lovely Discovery stuff. Funky Discovery fridge, all very nice. And as ever, we're going to show you the freezer, which goes all the way to the ship's side. Absolutely enormous. Amtico flooring, which is simply indestructible. And then we'll just go and have a look at the owner's cabin. Split mattress, his and hers wardrobes. All in lovely condition, beveled mirrors, excellent joinery. All looking amazingly fresh for 2009. Remember, she's only 55 feet. And then owner's heads, Corian surfaces, Tecmar electric glue, separated shower. She's got a new washing machine that's just gone in. Lovely big shower. Access to the engine room. She's got a Yanmar, as you can see. 160 horsepower. These yachts all have sea chests, you can see at the front of the engine. Sea fresh water maker. Membranes are all there. All the electrics for the winches, all of which are powered. And the winches are really lovely because they've got stainless steel tops, I should have pointed that out. Really good sound deadening. All very fresh and serviced and shut down. And then we'll shoot back into the owner's cabin. And then through this lovely galley. Back into the main saloon. You can see the controls for the Ebersparker and aircon. Into the guest VIP cabin. Again, split mattress. Masses and masses of storage. Joinery is again looking lovely. She's got these two seats which are really funky. Upper and lower berth cabin. Cockpit cushions and stuff are there at the moment. Headlinings are looking really good. And please everybody wave at Harry, he's the guy with the beard doing the filming much better than I could. And then guest heads, separate shower, another Tecmar loo. A little bit of verdigris on the mirrors. Another electric towel rail. Back into this lovely Discovery main saloon. SAXON Blue, great for high latitude or the tropics. She's done both with great success.